option. Join with us in establishing a better study system in Babu Salam. Babu Salam has a vision and mission that can bring an achieving, religious, and noble generation. It conducts many activities to attract students in both achievement and character, such as public speaking, scouting, and marching band. I need you to know that not only are friends who can embrace us, but also friendly teacher, so that the power of the sisterhood, the making of the Ukhuwah Islamiyah. Want to know more strictly? Please strike away at